if it works. This lever here lifts up and drops down the squeegee. It has rollers in the back to keep the height right, rollers on the sides so you can go up against the wall. This is a pretty cool thing they have here, is this loop to keep the drips from dripping down when you're done. Looks like it's by Tennant. Same size as the shop vac, 1.5 inches. There's your dump tank in there. So far we got about 2 hours on it. We're pretty happy with it. It smells like a new car. It's model number V-wd-15. So if you're looking to step up your game, this is the machine for you. This is how you dump it, and this is the part that I really like. So this hose here comes up above the water line. So if you're dumping someplace like here where there's a really shallow lip, you can kind of feather it out instead of, before when you had the shop vac, once you pulled the cord, it just flew out and it was a pain in the butt. So let's take a look at how easy this is. So I can pour it out slowly, or I can dump it out and make a huge mess. So yeah. That's about it. It's a great machine. I would recommend it. And it's so much faster than with the mop and bucket technique. And then if you bump it up the next level where you use the shop vac, this is still way faster. So you'll make up so much labor.